How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MSI monitor with no signal. So if you encounter this problem right here, but everything is working from your computer, the first thing that you want to check is the actual physical connection. See if your wires have any damages at all, and you could just go ahead and grab a new one if you suspected that the wire is the problem itself. From there, if you're really sure that your cables are working, we actually have to head over to the OSD controls. Now you could do this by pressing the joysticks on your monitor. Basically, whatever button on your monitor is, you can then go ahead and access this specific options right here. Now this is going to be once again the OSD controls on screen setting. From here, you want to navigate through the input sources and then just make sure that you select the right one that you have used on the cables itself. So in my case, I have something like the HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DP1, and DP2. So you can just select the right one, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.